Accurate online listings are essential for ranking high on search and attracting more customers, but managing listings across locations can become more challenging as your business grows. That's where MORBiZ Directory Listing Management comes in. From a single dashboard, MORBiZ Directory Listing Management provides accurate, real-time information about your business to Google, Facebook, Bing, and over 50 industry-specific sites, improving SEO, boosting your online ranking, and attracting more customers. That's why local businesses using MORBiZ Directory Listing Management can see up to a 240% increase in calls and a 50% boost in website traffic. With MORBiZ Directory Listing Management, you'll have the tools you need to rank higher and stand out online. Say goodbye to manual listing management. Our comprehensive listing scan will quickly find errors that hurt your search ranking. Then you can update your business info across more than 50 sites with a single click. Making sure your listings are up to date with accurate names, addresses, and phone numbers is a breeze. Comprehensive and easy to use, MORBiZ Directory Listing Management is the clear choice for local businesses looking to stand out and attract more customers online. MORBiZ, put your business on the map.